Good morning, everyone. I decided to come out to the garden at 6 in the morning this morning. I had a bunch of stuff I want to get planted. I haven't had time. It's supposed to rain the next 2 days here. So I want to get the free watering. And yeah, so here I am. I got a bunch of onions planted over there. I'll go show you that in a bit. Actually, take you over there quickly now and check them out. So I got some onions planted there. Another row over here. And I have another tray here that I need to get in. Then I've got a tray of shallots and Kelsey onions too, those big onions that grow the size of like a grapefruit and even bigger. So I need to get those done up. Hopefully today if I get time. I have to head home. So today I'm going to plant some of my potatoes. I'm going to do these old ones that I had sitting around. This is kind of interesting. I've never seen this before. But it's been sitting around so long that this potato is actually going baby potatoes on the potato, which is kind of cool. So I'll plant him, see what happens with them. But we're going to talk about companion planting with potatoes today. Last year, I think I've said this a few times, that I had a really bad crop, and these are the leftover potatoes from that crop. The potato beetles just destroyed everything, and I didn't get enough potatoes. So I've been doing a lot of research, and I've been seeing that green beans are great to plant with your potatoes, and onions as well. I'm just going to do green beans, probably do a whole bunch here, and I'm doing them beside my blueberry bushes like I did last year with the pine needles. And the other thing that I've read too is if you loosen your soil up, it should help disturb the eggs in the potato beetle. So I've been doing that, going out with the pitchfork, cleaning up some of the grass and loosening the soil up, and been finding a few potatoes from last year. So I got my first potato crop almost. So I'll set this up on the tripod and I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. So this is the part of the garden that's more like kind of like a wild forest. I usually don't do a whole lot down here, but I should be trying to weed as much as I can, but it's kind of a forgotten area. I should probably put some cardboard along the edges, some wood chips just to help prevent the grass from keep growing in. But I'm just going to go through here quickly. I just loosen it up, get some of this grass out of here, and give it a nice loose shake. There we go. There's so much stuff in here that I just want to get rid of, but it's so hard when you don't have time to be out here all the time. Yeah, that's pretty good for here. I'm not going to take too much time with it. It's I'd be here all day doing this. So I'm just going to level this off quickly here. And here we go, potato from last year. Probably might grow if I leave it in there. I'm just going to grab my potatoes here. They're kind of dry, but they should be okay. I'm just going to stick them in. And as I go along, I've just got some bush beans, green ones. Nothing too fancy. So this is going to be an experiment. I'll keep you guys updated through the season to see how well they're working. I'm probably going to plant more than this, just so that I have beans to harvest as well. Probably do like 3 rows across. And then as I come down, I'll just plant my potatoes here. And I'm planting them fairly close. Probably should plant them a bit farther apart than I do, but I like to see how much I can get out of a area. So I might even go between each plant here as well. Do some purple ones as well. So I'll go along, guys. I'll finish this off and then get them watered in. So there you go, guys. Just a quick little video on some companion planting with potatoes to hopefully keep the potato beetles down. As I said, I'll keep you guys updated through the season to see how it's working. Hopefully it works well, because I'd love to have a potato crop this year. And oh, by the way, these ones are the banana fingerlings that I'm doing, and the purple Russian potatoes, the little purple ones. Cut them open, they're purple inside, super cool. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share around. Happy gardening.